Hello friends, my name is Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, today's tutorial I am going to show you how to use bookmark, how to export bookmark, and how you can import that bookmark into your browser. So right now this is my Google Chrome browser and here I am going to show you how you can do that. So friend, first of all I am going to open three websites, different websites over here. For example, this is YouTube. And second thing I'm going to open, for example, outlook.com. And third one is bing.com. Here I'm going to use these three websites as an example so you will get the perfect idea how you can do bookmark and how you can import and export your bookmarks from your browser. So friend, if you are using Google or Gmail account, just simply logging your Gmail account into this browser, so that will be more easy to synchronize your bookmark and that will save all the time. So friend, here I'm going to show you how you can bookmark. So friend, this is YouTube and right now I'm going to bookmark this website. Simply what I will do, here you can see this address bar and here you can see star bookmark, and whenever you click over here you will get some option as a pop-up, and here you can add the name and here you can easily manage your bookmark. For example, here I'm going to add my favorite website. Okay, so friend, here I'm going to create one folder and that called FAV, and here click on this save button. Okay, so this website is stored into that folder FAV, and right now this is Outlook and here I'm going to bookmark this website. Then first method, simply click over here. Second method, you can drag this bookmark into your folder. Then what you will do, simply drag this website and drag into your bookmark folder. So friend, here when I click here, then you can see my two websites are bookmarked into this folder. Okay, and if you not want to bookmark your into this folder, then what you will do, simply click on the third website and now I'm going to drag over here. So friend, you can see my bookmark is done now, and here I'm going to rename my bookmark. Then what I will do, simply right click over here and click on this edit button, and here just simply, if you want to see only icon, then you can remove this name and click on this save button. So friend, you can see my bookmark is showing as an icon over here. And now I'm going to show you how you can export this bookmark. So what you will do, simply click on this three dot icon on the top and here go under bookmarks, and here you can see the option bookmark manager. Just click over there and you will see many options over there. So simply you can click on this three dot icon and here you will see export bookmarks. Just click over there and you can see this HTML format. Right now I'm going to save this bookmark on the desktop, and here I'm going to add name backup bookmark. And save it. So friend, my bookmark is saved right now, and right now I'm going to remove this bookmark and import this bookmark into this browser. Simply here I'm going to delete this bookmark, so my bookmark is going delete all the bookmarks. And right now I'm going to show you how you can import that bookmark which already we have exported. So right now I'm going to click over here this three dot icon and now over on bookmarks and import bookmarks and settings. Simply click over here, and friend, here you can see the different option. Right now we have exported into HTML file and here I'm going to select bookmarks HTML file and click on this choose file, and then this file is stored into my desktop, so simply select that file and click on this done button. So friend, again you can see my bookmark is back. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys, how you can do bookmark and export that bookmarks into your system and easily import that bookmark into your Google browser. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you are coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, because I am uploading this type of unique tutorial on my YouTube channel. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.